see. Yeah. These are my males. All three have outstanding temperaments. Very, very friendly. This guy here is very similar in size and shape to this one here. Both a little bit heavier and stouter, a little stockier. The one's just a little longer leg, so the more solid black is longer leg. And then this guy, you can see his paw, he is going to be bigger. And he's kind of got the shorter Aussie build. And then this pretty guy, he is smaller and he's lighter framed. Just very outgoing. His little tail just goes, goes, goes. Yes, yes it does. Yes it does. I get you. You guys are getting tired already. Yes, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You're a pretty boy. Yes you are. Yes you are. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get your toys out, don't I? Yeah. Yeah. Such a pretty boy. Such a pretty boy. Yes. Yeah. And this one here, he's my little quieter guy. Doesn't play quite as rambunctious, and he kind of sits and observes, and he's still very playful, but definitely has kind of a more quiet spirit. And a little more relaxed.